home today. Yeah. And do you like my new outfit?
Well, girls, I'm gonna lay out the stuff.
Okay. Don't forget my favorite donut sleeping bag.
Okay. Here are the chairs.
Ooh.
And here's the blanket. I'll just unfold it. And here are our sleeping bags.
Oh, don't forget the firewood. Can we go collect it, please?
Not yet. It's not nice like that. Okay, here's one of your socks. Sleeping bags. Here's one of your sleeping bags.
Ooh, mine.
Here's one of your sleeping bags. Here's mine. And here's yours.
My favorite.
So lucky. Okay, here are all.
I even fitted it because I got it yesterday.
Please go collect the firewood.
Okay, let's go. Got it. Let's go. Got the firewood. You got the firewood.
Now let me start a fire.
I got the matches.
There, I started a fire.
There. Bye-bye, matches.
Here's the fire.
We don't need matches to light it up. We could just use sticks.
Oh, hiya.
Don't get too close to the fire.
Oh, what's its name?
Ooh, is it cold?
I don't know. No, it's not. No.
What does it feel like?
Hi, Miney.
Ow!
You can't touch it, honey.
Oh.
It's okay.
Why even winter time?
Well, because it's a good time to camp in winter, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because, the fire.
I'm gonna go get some more twigs.
Okay.
Found one and two. There.
Okay, I don't know if 2 twigs is gonna do anything.
But that's what we find.
Okay. Well.
I put 2 more big twigs in it so then it can stay up all night.
No, you can't have it staying up all night.
Come on, do you want to play ring around the fire?
Nah. What about we play with our stuffies?
Okay. Mind the llama. Mind the llama. Mind the tiger. Mine is a tiger.
Okay, well, I'm just going to sit in my sleeping bag and play with my llama.
Wammy woo. Wait, do you want to play with me?
Yeah.
And I'm going to go my stuffy. My piggy stuffy. Piggy.
I'm going to sit in my sleeping bag.
Oh, come here. I'm looking for the stuffy ball.
Wiggles. Here's Wiggles.
I'm looking for
Wiggles. I mean, Miney. Hi, Miney.
you one. What do we have in our suitcase? All we have left is an old moose stuffy. That's not a stuffy. It's a figure. Wow. I have. How about this one? No, that's a swaddle. It's not a swaddle. Well, then you're gonna have to go with that one if you won't agree with any of them. But those ones are hard. What are hard? Those are animals. Well, who cares? You could put it next to your bed or something. Wait, I'll be right back. It's not a real raccoon. Get it out of here! It's too big! But I don't have a stuffy. Look around, honey. There's so many other pieces of nature, you will probably forget your stuffy. I'm just gonna sit. Let's play. Look at mine. It can turn into a cow. See? Cow. Pig. It's squishy. One little stuffed animal for me. Do it. Tag, you it. Got ya. Tag, you it. I found one. I found one. Show us. Ooh. Tag, you it. Tag, you it. Tag, you it. You're never gonna catch me because I'm too fast. I'm gonna get you. Oh no, my shoe fell off. I guess I'll just leave it beside the tail. Right? I put my shoes right in. You it. You it. No, you didn't get me. Got you. Major White, play tag with us. Okay. Tag, you it. Yeah. Oops. You're never gonna catch me. Tag, you it. 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 Wait. Do you want to play hide and seek? Okay. You count, Majorette. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I'm gonna hide under here. I'm going to hide. How about in this giant veil? No, it's too small. Actually, I'm not gonna hide in now. I'm gonna hide behind the chair. I'm gonna hide in this lunchbox. Hey, nobody can see that. That's no fair. Lunchbox. 10. Ready or not, here I come. All the noise is in here. Got ya. Uh-oh, I think I ruined the marshmallows. Uh-oh. But never mind. Anybody under here? No. This looks kinda big.
Hey guys.
This looks kinda big. Okay. Let's see who's inside here. She's in there. And she's there. Found you all! You found touchdown last? Yeah. That means reading babies, the sequel. Wait, who's the sequel? Reading baby. Who's reading baby? Oh yeah, her. Go count. Yay. Come on, hide. I'm trying to find a spot. How's your mommy's sleeping bag? No, I'll hide under this one. The pigs and school buses one. Okay, everybody's hidden. 10. Ready or not, here I come. I really have no clue what they hid. But these are really fat. Huh, nobody's in there? How about in here? I see some hair. Got ya. You noticed my dyed hair. Oh no, my shoe fell off. Okay. And here you are. Now let's go find Touchdown. I have a feeling she's in the lucky lunchbox. Yep. No, I'm it. Yep. Let me go count. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna hide behind you. I already hid there. How about I'll hide under Mommy's thing? Mommy, play hide and seek with us. No, honey, I'm making dinner. Where do we hide? I guess I'll hide under the picnic blanket. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Found you. Oh, that was a bad hiding place. Let's go find the others. Okay. Nothing except Mimey. Mimey found you. Found you. But what the heck is Touchdown? Oh, I mean Isabel. I'm getting bored of hide and seek. Yeah. It's been a long day. But we're not going yet. Because we didn't eat dinner. But what about a bath? You won't get a bath tonight. But what about a bath in a bucket? You will not get a bath. Let's look at the cards. I found a big dimple, Mommy. Ooh, constellations. I found a small dimple. It's getting dark. It's really dark out here. Yeah. But I love watching the constellations. I see one that looks like a turkey. Cool. Oh, I see Mars from here. You see what? Mars. Mars. Cool. I see the biggest planet, Jupiter. Wow. Girls, dinner's ready, but I found a mouse in the air. Oh, cool constellation. Girls, I was actually a real mouse. Girls, I forgot dinner at home, so I found this pepper and I picked it. What did peppers? And I found these carrots on the ground, and I also found this lettuce in the ground. I love lettuce. Stop it. I also found some fish in the river, and I took them out and put them in this leftover can I found on the ground. And I also found these, let me see, peaches on a tree. Let's see what's inside our lunchbox. Everything in here is our dinner that I found out in the woods. Ew! You like peppers? Yeah, they make me so strong. Okay, you can eat that. Can we pull out the file? You can take lettuce. Okay, but I really wanted the anchovies. Okay, I'll take peaches. They're both in the same can. You'll take the carrots. And I'll take the carrots, and Mommy will take the lettuce. I just love anchovies. Yeah, I just finished the whole bowl. I finished first, I win. Yum. Yum, 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 yum.